All right, guys. So this was Arteta's press conference after the match we played against Tottenham Hotspur. Will be Tottenham Hotspur 2-1. So let's go through the press conference.
Hi, Sam. What are your thoughts and emotions after that?
The first question for those that say, Sachilus, we don't really get to hear the question or they speak too fast, I can't hear. So the first question is about the match. How did they see the match? We won the North London derby. So let's hear what Arteta will say.
Very proud of the team. I think we were sensational. I think it was a good test to see after two big performances and not getting rewarded in two different competitions. You have to play the biggest game of the season for our people in those conditions. And it's a test of attitude, you know, what we are made of, the courage that we have, how much we really care only about a result or the performance, and how much we can do in terms of what is required in the game to be better than the position. And I think we played from the minute one to hurt them with or without the ball. I think we fully deserve to win the game. And I think we made a lot of people very happy, but especially very proud to see a team that behaves in the manner that they have played today again.
All right, so second question on the performances of Miles Lewis-Skelly.
Good performances, but a lot of praise for Miles Lewis-Skelly, I think, and fans really loving that.
Yeah, well, I think very rare to see 18 years old playing against Kulusevski and Johnson in a big London derby for the first time to perform with that composure, with that, again, with that attitude, with that control emotionally, very rare to see.
All right, the next question on being part of the development of Miles Lewis-Skelly, because they made Arteta understand that he was not the one that brought Bukayo Saka, the one that brought Martinelli, but this Miles Lewis-Skelly, Arteta brought him to the first team. So, how do you feel?
Mikel, I want to ask you personally about Miles Lewis-Skelly. Saka and Smith Rowe were here when you arrived. Lewis-Skelly, you brought through and developed. How does that feel personally as a coach to see a player not only get a debut but play in the biggest game of Arsenal season the way he did?
Well, I think it makes everybody at the club very proud because obviously he's been in our system for a long time, and we know the kind of education that the academy is giving to our boys to get prepared, and then we have to pick them in the moment that we believe they are ready. With him, it was very, very early and in a different position because he's never played as a fullback before, but he responds in the manner that he's done, which is a joy to watch.
Now, the next question on the match being physical, based on North London derby.
Hi, Mikel. Obviously, these are difficult circumstances with not that many players to juggle with. When you see some of the guys up there, they're clearly physically feeling it. Someone like Declan puts in a performance like that. How much do they have to go through the sort of pain barrier to challenge themselves to put in a performance like that when they're maybe feeling not the best physically, let's say?
Again, it's a behavior, so it's how you respond to a situation. That's it, and how you take it. And these boys, they want more. That's what they want. They want more. They want to be tested. They want to be questioned, and then they want to just talk on the pitch, which is the best way to do that. And we had some big examples today because after 72 hours to play 120 minutes. In a game that probably is the most intense one of the season, I think they deserve a lot of credit.
Can I just ask?
Now, next question on if the players enjoyed the game based on the intensity, North London derby, making the fans happy.
It feels like for the first time in a little while, you saw your players enjoying themselves today. How much does that matter?
Enjoying.
They look like
Well, they enjoy a lot the connection with the supporters. That's what it brings the enjoyment to a different level, and today it was special. So if we can generate that more, great.
Now, on the importance of the win, because by beating them, we've won 4 points behind Liverpool.
James, CBS.
Yeah, Mikel, you just sort of mentioned it there, but how much of a how important do you think this moment is in terms of getting not necessarily the supporters back on side, but maybe bringing some belief back to them, because it's so easy to get deflated after
We cannot control that. We can't control performances. It's like someone was talking about, is that going to raise the confidence? The confidence is to see every day how they play, how they train, and how they perform. Our result is something independent. We're going to depend because we lose in the most incredible way against Manchester United, that now our confidence is damaged. Let's do and do something else, honestly.
Andy?
And Mikel, a lot of people have recently not given the title to Liverpool, but made them
Now, this next question, or if there's belief that in the title race after tonight, so that will do for the title race. So these are some of the questions that I asked.
Very hot favourites. This makes now 4 points the gap. Is this the type of result and occasion can give you momentum, belief, confidence that you're going to mount a big challenge with the title?
The result gives us the the chance to enjoy the moment instead of momentum, because momentum starts tomorrow to prepare Aston Villa 3 days later. That's all the momentum that we have is till tomorrow morning when we see our faces and we start to talk about how we're going to beat Villa.
But you're still
Now, the next question: if Arsenal are in the title race,
very
let's
much
say.
part of that title race.
Yeah, we are, because it's so much to play for, and we can see how difficult it is for every team to win.
And finally from here, yeah.
Now, the next question is on the nervy moments towards the end of the match, because the match was 2-1. Anything could have happened, could have been 2-2. So some people were scared by the end of the skill trend.
As you said, it's much better performance tonight. Were you getting a bit nervous towards the end? You know, there was a few chances that were missed. How did you feel?
Yeah, I think we should have put the game to bed much earlier, but it's what it is. Then we have to suffer. We suffer in the manner that we are capable of well as doing, but yeah, I would like an extra goal.
Okay.
All right, guys.
Thanks a lot.
That's the end
Thank
of
you.
Arteta's press conference. Thanks for watching.